How to use the mass email feature in CentraHub CRM. Email Blast is a feature in CentraHub CRM that allows you to send a standard email to a mass mailing list. The following are the steps to send mass or bulk emails via CentraHub CRM. Step 1. Log into the CentraHub CRM account. Sign in to CentraHub CRM. Step 2. The application will display the CRM dashboard. Navigate to the Settings option. Click on the icon to access settings. Step 3. Type Email Blast in the search box on the left side of the screen. Click on Email Blast. The application will display the Email Blast page. Step 4. Enter the relevant details. Step 5. In the Email tab, enter details such as subject and body text. Customize the subject and body text of the email. Step 6. After entering the details, click on Finish. Get a free demo at CentraHubCRM.com. All-in-one CRM for any growing business.